Hi guys, it's Via. So for today's makeup look, I am going to be doing a soft glam look. Not really much more to say about that. So let's jump in. I'm gonna start by cleansing my face with the Zero Cleansing Balm. So I just take a cotton ball and just dip it in. And on the other side of that cotton ball, I'm taking the toner that I have, which is the, never gonna pronounce this name right, CAUDALIE, I don't know. Alright, so after that is done, I'm going to apply some primer. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and just apply that all over my face. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take my beauty blender and spray it 1, 2 with my rose coconut water. I'm gonna take my CC cream from IT Cosmetics and put a little, about a squirt, a little less. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Okay, and then once that's applied, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Trueblend concealer, and I'm just gonna start with the forehead, and then under the eyes, nose, bridge, these little smiley line doodahs, the chin, and then my jawline that I don't actually own. I'm just gonna start in the opposite direction, starting with the chin. Okay. Now that the concealer is on, I'm going to take my Pur powder and put that all over my face. Alright, and then since this is a more like glam, like pinky kind of look, I'm going to contour with the Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer. Alright, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. And I'm gonna blend those together with the powder brush with nothing on it. And then I'm going to apply, I grabbed the wrong thing. I'm going to apply the IBY Radiant Glow highlighter in Prosecco. Alright, now I'm just going to do my brows off camera real quick. If you want to see how I do my brows, I did just upload my everyday routine kind of makeup look, and I do show you how I do my brows on the day-to-day basis. So I will link that video down below. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to prime with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Alright, now that my eyes are primed, I'm first going to start and go in with, I think I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate Palette, and I'm going to start with this hot pink color. I'm going to take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush and just go right above the crease with that. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with Chaser, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm gonna just put that on top as a little transition color. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to merge those two colors together even more. I'm going to take my stamping brush, and I'm not going to do like an extreme cut crease, but I am going to take this Lumbre color from the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to just do my lid with that color. Once that color is on there, I am going to just take some concealer and put that, just with my concealer brush, I'm going to put that right in the center of the lid. And I kind of just went up almost to the crease, but not quite to the crease. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. There's an eyelash stuck to it. And I'm gonna go in with my favorite color, this gold color. And I'm gonna take that stamping brush to get the color off of it. And I'm just gonna go right where I just put that concealer. And I'm going to take my blending brush and take that Lumbre color again and just go around, because I did have some gold sparkles want to go where they weren't wanted. Okay, and then just to tie everything together, I'm going to take this bright peachy kind of tangerine color and put it on the bottom. And that is that soft glam kind of look. I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Ulta Beauty Micro Tip for that, and some mascara, and then I will be right back for lips. All right, and for lips, actually I don't think that matches that well. No, too purpley. So for lips today, I'm going to start by using my Bite Lip Crayon in GLACE. It's this color. And then over that color, I'm gonna take the Estate Lip Icing in Drip. And last but not least, I'm just going to set my face with the Dewy Mist Setting Spray. And there you have it. Oh, I did not pick up the cap. All right, so that is my glam. That is my, oh my god. All right, so that is the glam look that I came up with today. I hope you guys like it. I'm very excited for this look. I get to play a blonde today, whatever that means, so I thought this would be a suiting kind of makeup look to do for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much. Bye.